Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix movement error in Fortnite Chapter 5 that many users have been complaining after the update. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe us for latest videos. Okay, so let's move ahead and show you how you can fix movement error to play the game smoothly without any glitch. First, you have to keep the best settings to fix the error. Two features added in the settings: forced walk, toggle, and forced walk, hold. So you have to turn off this setting to fix Fortnite movement error. Follow the steps. First, log in to Fortnite, open settings. Now, open keyboard controls, choose forced walk, toggle, and switch it off. You have to do the same thing with forced walk, hold, and the issue will be resolved. Okay, next thing you can do is by changing some values in the keyboard movement settings. You need to enable custom diagnosis and change the value as guided. Remember, not to change the settings as suggested. I hope this will surely help to troubleshoot the movement error on Fortnite Chapter 5.